him. I got it.
All right. So the first corner.
Oh, Josh, what are you doing to me?
Oh no! That was awesome.
No, was it?
It was pretty cool.
Thank
Not so Castle's not so good right now.
Not so macho.
Jesus. What's going on here?
Who's in front? You, Dave?
Yeah.
Who's out front? You are. What the hell?
It's not mine.
Yeah, in a rental, too. Son of a bitch. Sorry, fuck that language.
After 1 minute, the top drivers are Sir David Kohler in first place with a 16-lap 5:04.6 pace with 3 laps.
Oh shit.
Followed by Captain Knox in second place with a 16-lap 5:16.5
Still got to get around me. I won't let him by.
3 laps.
Thank you.
Followed by Colin Peter in third place with a 15-lap
Go at Jaws side.
17.6 pace with 2 laps. Followed by They Call Me Jaws in fourth place with a 14-lap 5:15.1 pace with 2 laps. Followed by Phil McCracken in fifth place with a 14-lap 5:20.6.
Okay, race is over.
Going for it, Rachel.
Not so Castle.
I can't hold it. Get moving, Dave.
The top drivers are Sir David Kohler in first place with a 17-lap 5:11.1 pace with 6 laps. Followed by Captain Knox in second place with a 17-lap 5:18.5 pace with 6 laps. Followed by They Call Me Jaws in fifth place with a 16-lap 5:0.3 pace with 6
I
laps.
didn't want to crash.
Followed by Colin Peter in fourth place with a 16-lap 5:16.5 pace with 6 laps. Followed by Rob Cassett in fifth place with a 15-lap 5:0.4 pace with 6 laps.
Go, 1, 2, 3 on the start.
Oh, I bagged it. Oh, I fucked everybody, son.
Oh!
Now we let John take the lead.
That's right.
Take him out.
I got to catch him first.
No!
3 minutes.
No, I wrecked in the
The
corner.
top drivers are Captain Knox in first place with a 17-lap 5:12.9 pace with
After that,
9 laps.
Josh.
Followed by Sir David Kohler in second place with a 17-lap 5:15.6 pace with 9 laps. Followed by They Call Me Jaws in fifth place with a 17-lap 5:14.5 pace with 9 laps. Followed by Colin Diederich in fourth place with a 16-lap 5:08.8 pace with 9 laps. Followed by Phil McCracken in fifth place with a 16-lap 5:15.6 pace with 9 laps.
What the?
Oh, player. Oh, he takes me out. Son of a gun.
Just kick him. He's right underneath you.
Yeah, come over here and put your glue on him, Dave.
1 minute left for 4 minutes 1 second. The top drivers are They Call Me Jaws in first place with a 17-lap 5:06.6 pace with 15 laps. Followed by Captain Knox in second place with a 17-lap 5:15.9 pace with 13 laps. Followed by Colin Diederich in third place with a 16-lap 5:06.5 pace with 12 laps. Followed by Rob Cassett in fourth place with a 16-lap 5:08 flat pace with 12 laps. Followed by Sir David Kohler in fifth place with a 16-lap 5:10.1 pace with 12 laps.
A little slow on the brakes.
Jaws, I need a crash.
I'll help you.
What happened to you, Dave?
I went off in the corner.
Corner of shame.
7,
Corner of shame,
6,
Rich.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Get up there! Get up that hill! That was an awesome move!
They call me Jaws Done. Bill McCracken Done. Captain Knox Done. Rob Castle Done. Sir David Kohler Done.
Send it!
All drivers are finished.
Who's got no body?
Good run, Josh.